going to happen to his brother?
He's going to be executed very soon. And my son, your beloved Dawood, is going to watch him die.
What?
A good son must always stand at his father's side in his proudest moments.
You do that, and I'll kill you.
Oh, one final note. I've decided you're unfit to be his mother. From now on, you are no longer to see him, but call yourself his mother. Cheap whore is a better name for you.
Damn you, Ali. Damn you, Ali. Damn you.
Wake the boy and get him dressed.
But Sarah...
Do it, that's an order.
Dawood, wake up. We have to get dressed. Your dad is taking us someplace. Bashir?
Seja.
To أبداً sir?
Immediately.
General Dalal. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Turn the car around. Prime Minister wants to see me right away.
Yes, sir.
Where were you?
I'm sorry, Doug.
What happened?
He took my son.
You didn't answer my question. Who did this to you?
Ali. He raped me. What is it, Sergeant?
I'm sorry, madam.
You're taking us to Dalal.
No. Where is he?
Where's my son?
I don't know.
Where is my son? Abadan? Abadan? The chemical weapons factory? Stop. I know where it is. It's the Abadan chemical factory. It's about half an hour driving.
They're taking us there. Open it.
Prime Minister wants me to release all the hostages. I authorize you to do it. Except for Ben Matthews.
صباح الخير خالي.
You get your son. It's the first door on the left, and I'll get Ben.
Are you frightened, Mr. Matthews?
Yes, I am.
You have every right to be.
Shit. You okay? I'll manage it. I'm not sure you will. We're in here. The insulin. Okay, take this and get out of here as fast as you can. If I'm not out in 5 minutes, go without me. Okay. Gun. Follow me. Take this. What else you got? I have a grenades. Show me. Well, these are duds. The pins have been changed. Take this one. This one. I'll take these. How much? $150 American and in cash. Give you 100. 125. Thank you. Thank you very much for you, man.
What are you doing here?
I'm just doing my bit for the American Red Cross.
Strange, I hadn't run into you before. I'm here almost every day. Excuse me. Give these pills to him twice a day, morning and night.
Okay.
Okay? He'll be fine.
Thank you.
So you did it. You got your medical degree.
Yes, I did.
That's great. How's your son?
He's fine.
How old is he now?
4.
Didn't waste any time, did you? Do your house calls usually take you this far away from Baghdad?
I go where I'm needed.
You didn't go far enough, Lila.
Ready, madam.
Thank you, Sergeant. I'll be out in a minute. Well, it was good seeing you again.
Likewise.
Good luck.
Thank you.
يلا اسف روح رايح هنيكم.
وين المفتاح؟ ايه يا بيه وين ترقب ونزل السلاح من عندك. فقط اجي لك غادي. فين رايح هذا؟ امشي امشي نزيد تحرك نزيد وين وين يلا مشي مشي نزيد يلا يلا ابعد
I don't believe it. You're not supposed to be here in this country.
I know.
Well, you must be here on business. For who?
For me, they have my brother.
Then?
They took him hostage at the airport. Singled him out of line just before he was about to board the plane. No one's seen him since.
Dalal. Pity you didn't kill him 5 years ago.
I need your help.
I'm a Kurd, remember? And any time a Kurd can peace on Dalal, it's a holiday. My friend, insults here can only be washed away with blood. Doug, does anyone else know you are here in Baghdad?
I did run into someone.
Who?
Lila.
You saw Layla?
Yeah, we met accidentally at the refugee camp on the other side of the border.
It's dangerous. You know she married Dalal.
She knows nothing.
How she married him, I still don't know.
Different worlds, my friend.
Wash up. You look like hell.
Thank you.
According to our latest report, there are approximately 200 British and American foreigners within Baghdad who remain unregistered and unaccounted for. I expect with our added patrols and increased wiretaps that number will decrease rapidly. However, it's important to remember that anyone found is to be interrogated with the utmost courtesy, respect, and Iraqi hospitality.
Urgent, sir.
Bring it in. Careful with their faces. No marks should be seen on television, eh? When did this happen?
This morning, sir. He killed a few of our border guards.
Dismissed. Colonel Bashir. I'm very disappointed. It seems that your men permitted a foreign intruder to penetrate a vital line of our defenses. It's a line that leads directly into Baghdad.
I take care of them at once.
A little late for that, don't you think, Major? Your men should have been better prepared. Why weren't they?
I don't know, but I get to the bottom of it.
Can't afford mistakes like this.
I assure you, there will be no more mistakes.
You've disappointed me. There's only one way to make certain it never happens again.
Ali, are you in there? It's Lila.
Yes, dear.
Oh, sorry. I was looking for Dawood.
Oh, no, it's quite all right. Colonel Bashir was just concluding his report.
General,
It's all right, my friend. You'll pass the message along to your men, huh?
thank you, sir.
And to what do I owe this pleasant surprise?
You know well enough. I've asked you a dozen times not to bring Dawood to these meetings. He should be at home right now. Sleeping.
It's harmless. The boy's perfectly at ease here.
It's not harmless for a 4-year-old to play with live bullets. Please, Ali, don't disrupt his schedule again.
I say that you look particularly radiant today, Lila.
I repeat, Ali, don't disrupt his schedule again.
Must be all that fresh air you get when you visit the refugee camp, huh?
Poor people. Fresh air is about the only thing left for them.
Yeah, I guess it's all that fresh air, Lila.
The jeep the foreigner used was found in the Suraba district, on the other side of town.
Double every sentry post in the area. Arrest anyone found without proper ID. I want every sewer, every alley searched. Whoever he is, he's in Baghdad for a reason. I want him caught before he does any more damage. Any Iraqi found helping him is to be shot dead on the spot. I want that foreigner caught. And bring my car. I want to visit my special guest.
We're going home, Ali.
Goodbye.
You have a pleasant evening.
You take the wood. I've got work to do at the hospital. I see you at the house, okay?
Tired.
Bye-bye. Okay, good boy.
I made a contact with the American embassy. We have a meeting in half an hour.
Great, with who?
Joe Albalo. He's an undersecretary, I know. A good friend. And we are leaving soon.
I'll be ready.
Okay. Why don't you eat?
I'm not hungry.
Eat it. It's good stuff. I'll be back.
It will take too long. I'll walk.
أنت فين؟ عندك فيزا؟
Hello, Tansy.
Layla,
Can I speak to you?
of course.
Where is he, Tansy? I'm looking for Doug.
I'm afraid you have made a mistake, Mrs. Dalal.
Please, Tansy, no games.
I'm sorry, but I must get back to work.
He could be in a great danger.
It's okay. I'll talk to him.
I knew I'd find you here.
Still reading my mind.
I thought we'd never meet again.
Does he know?
He's very suspicious. He has his entire army looking for an American. What are you doing here?
Thanks for the warning. I'll be okay. Now, if you excuse me, I got some things to do.
You're still hurt, aren't you?
Why should I be?
Doug, I couldn't answer your letters. Dalal is a very jealous and dangerous man.
You shouldn't be here now either, should you?
I'm here because your life is in danger.
Thanks, I'll manage.
Doug, I couldn't...
Thanks.
Doug, it's time to go.
Yeah.
Everything is okay?
Let's go.
Salam alaikum, Mr. Matthews.
Who's there?
Have you already forgotten your friend, your host? Ali Dalal, at your service.
Why are you holding me?
Is there anything wrong, Mr. Matthews? Do you have any complaints about our treatment? Are you not getting your shots? Any complaints about our menu?
Are you punishing me because of something that my brother did?
Speaking of your brother, when did you see him last?
Long time ago.
You must miss him very much.
Yes, I do.
Me too, Mr. Matthews, me too. But I have a strange feeling that he will come visit you very soon.
Are you using me as bait? Oh, you dumb son of a bitch. My brother will never come back to Iraq again.
Relax, Mr. Matthews. Anger is very bad for diabetes. Your brother loves you very much. He will come. He will come. Let's make his stay more pleasant. Move him to the hotel.
Sure, it's safe.
If it is deserted shopping place. No one is around.
See that we're not interrupted. I'm not back in 30 minutes. You're out of here.
Mr. Matthews?
Apollo?
Yes.
John, you said you saw my brother being abducted. Is that true?
Yes. And that was the last time I saw him. In the last 48 hours, the Iraqis have shut down every inquiry we have made. It's like it never happened.
Well, it did.
Please let me tell you where we're at. Right now, our orders are to backpedal, not to make waves. Do everything possible to keep the lid on tight. We don't want to be the excuse to set off the whole powder keg.
So what are you telling me?
That you're in the wrong place at the wrong time, and you can't expect any help from us. And as far as you're concerned, we're closed down until further notice. Listen, Mr. Matthews, for what it's worth, I heard a rumor they're keeping a bunch of detainees in a chemical plant on Hudson Street, a few miles south of here. Good luck.
Let's go. Look at that. We're waiting outside your factory. Don't stop, keep going.
I hope they didn't see us. What's next? The electric plant?
It's too dangerous. Better get some rest.
I know where to go. يلا بيك يلا.
What's the occasion?
Celebrating my new nephew. I didn't think I'd make it.
Tanzi, gib mir ein Kamindi. Weil du bist da grauer.
يا جماعة هذا صاحبي اسمه داغلاس ماثيوس. هو جاء من أمريكا من شان أخذوا أخوه رهين. أنا بفتكر إنه هو دلال عمل المشكلة، ولكن بدي أسألكم سؤال افتكروا كويس قبل الجواب. بدي أخبيهم يومين ثلاثة وبس، ولازم تساعدوني.
بساعدك.
Obey our instruction. We know the American is with you. Surrender him in the next 5 minutes, and we will go in peace.
It's the law.
We have got to make a break for it. Come on.
No. Put the gun away. I'm going out.
No, Doc. Don't do this.
There's too many of them. We don't have a choice,
We
Tanzi.
do have a choice. There is only one choice.
I said no.
Doc.
Two minutes, 10 seconds. Most cooperative of you, Mr. Matthews.
Okay, I'm here now. Don't harm these people.
Harm? Today is the happiest day of my life. No one will be harmed today. I have waited a very long time for this moment. I can't wait to tell Lila you're back. She'll be so pleased.
Where's my brother? Is he still alive?
Oh, he's my special guest. He's enjoying Iraqi hospitality to the fullest.
I want to see him. I want to see him now. Alive.
There's an old Arab saying, things done in a hurry are done in the ways of Satan. But things done with patience are done in the ways of God. You two have not seen each other for a long, long time. A brother's reunion needs a special preparation. Patience, my friend. It's everything in life. Take him away.
What are you doing?
Hello.
Hello, my darling Lila. I have a great idea. How about dining out tonight?
Oh, what's the happy occasion?
Let's say I'm celebrating a successful hunt.
Hunt?
Yes. I caught a rare prey. 2 wild American eagles, first time in captivity. Calls for a real feast. So, shall I have you picked up?
Oh, I'm sorry, but I'm working late.
Oh, Lila, you're such a dedicated doctor. Good night.
Hello. Colonel Bashir, please.
Stay here. I see what Anissa Laila wants. What happened, Laila?
I need your help.
جي تاخذ الامريكاني. I have an order to release you.
General Dalal wants him.
Dad, I'm here. Hi. They took your brother to Hotel Sultan, room 1124. He didn't tell me he's a diabetic. I'll wait for you at my friend's house. Here's the address. Please, be careful. Bye.
You what? He escaped. You're all dead, man. I want his brother removed from that hotel immediately.
Your time to eat now. What is it?
Grapes.
I can't have grapes right now.
Grapes is good, healthy.
What else do you have?
Try this.
What is it?
Taste.
It's too sweet. Do you have any bread?
Bread, yes. We have to take him now. Mustafa?
I will. Where are we going? We are waiting for you.
Drop it! Drop it!
Get up. Get up. I want to see my brother.
You're bleeding.
Never mind. Gotta find my brother before the law kills him like he did Tanzi.
Tanzi's dead?
Yes, Tanzi's dead. How could you have married him?
I had to.
What do you mean you had to?
I just had to, and that's all.
Why?
I did it for you.
What are you talking about?
Doug, my marriage to Dalal was a deal. If I didn't marry him, you would have been killed. And I couldn't live with it. I was educated to accept everything in life as fate. But in my world, fate is controlled by men. And to my husband, revenge is sacred, and hatred noble. So, I have got to go home. I want you to stay here. I'll be back in 2 hours with the information about Ben.
I don't want you to go again. Not again.
No, Doug. It's too late.
It's not too late. I love you, Lila. I love you.
I'll be back. you're home early.
We missed a wonderful party this evening, my dear. Unfortunately, it was interrupted in a most unpleasant way. So I thought I'd come visit you in your room for some comfort.
Sorry. But my day was hectic too. And it's not over yet. I just came to freshen up. And check on Daoud.
Daoud is fine. He's fast asleep.
Yeah. We have an emergency at the hospital. And I've got to get back there.
My busy wife. Always being so responsible, so efficient. I believe in America they call that what? Women's lib? But we're not in America, are we, Layla?
No, we're not. But I'm still a doctor. And I've got to get back to the hospital.
You were with him tonight, weren't you?
Who are you talking about?
The American. Douglas Matthews escaped from my prison a few hours ago. I was wondering, who would be so stupid to try to help him? Now I know.
This is ridiculous. I haven't seen anybody.
Don't lie to me. You're always a bad liar. You never spoke to him directly in my presence. But you always knew when he was around. And afterwards, you'd always glow. You'd glow the same way you glowed when you came home this evening.
Ali,
I'd give anything to make you feel that way about me.
please, Ali. I've got to go.
It's true, isn't it? All these years, he's been the one to know all your secrets, your desires. Well, me, I couldn't even hold you. Well, tonight, it's my turn to make you glow.
No!
It's this, isn't it?
What? Your scar? Your scar is the most beautiful part of your body.
Why is that? Because you think I'm weak? I didn't kill him? Because I let my desire for you blind me? Is that why you love my scar?
No. I love your scar because it reminds me of the man who did it.
Bitch! Bitch! You know, there's a lesson in all this, my dear. Go ahead, ask me what it is. Okay, I'll tell you anyway. Independence for a woman is a gift that comes on the installment plan. Once you forget who gave it to you, you lose all rights to it. Oh, by the way, if you happen to bump into your boyfriend, you can tell him from me that he'll never get out of Iraq alive. I've posted a reward for any soldier who cuts out his heart.
What's going to happen to his brother?
He's going to be executed very soon. And my son, your beloved Daoud, is going to watch him die.
What?
A good son must always stand at his father's side in his proudest moments.
You do that, and I'll kill you.
Oh, one final note. I've decided you're unfit to be his mother. From now on, you are no longer to see him, but call yourself his mother. Cheap whore is a better name for you.
Damn you, Ali. Damn you, Ali. Damn you.
Wake the boy and get him dressed.
But sir...
Do it. That's an order.
Daoud, wake up. We have to get Ruth. Your dad is taking us someplace.
Bashir?
Sujan.
To Abadan, sir? Immediately.
General Dalal. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Turn the car around. Prime Minister wants to see me right away.
Yes, sir.
Where were you?
I'm sorry, Doug.
What happened?
He took my son.
You didn't answer my question. Who did this to you?
Ali. He raped me. What is it, Sajid?
I'm sorry, madam.
You're taking us to Dalal.
No. Where is he?
Where's my son?
I don't know.
Where is my son? Abadan? Abadan? The chemical weapons factory? Stop. I know where it is. It's the Abadan chemical factory. It's about half an hour driving.
You're taking us there.
Prime Minister wants me to release all the hostages. I authorize you to do it. Except for Ben Matthews.
صباح الخير خالي.
You get your son. It's the first door on the left, and I'll get Ben.
Are you frightened, Mr. Matthews?
Yes, I am.
You have every right to be.
Shit. You okay? I'll manage it. I'm sure you will.
We're in here.
The insulin. Okay, take this and get out of here as fast as you can. If I'm not out in 5 minutes, go without me. Okay. Okay, hold it! Everybody stop what you're doing and get over here. Move! Get out! Get out, out the door. Out the door! Drop it! Come on, move! Move it! Don't touch it!